Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2581 code, don't ignore it. This code is related to the turbocharger boost control position sensor, which helps the ECU monitor the position of the turbocharger's boost control mechanism. What does P2581 mean? P2581 stands for turbocharger boost control position sensor B circuit high. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the signal voltage from the turbocharger boost control position sensor B is higher than the expected range. The sensor tells the ECU the actual position of the turbocharger actuator. Depending on the vehicle, this can control a wastegate or a variable geometry turbocharger. If the signal voltage becomes too high, the ECU may not be able to accurately determine the turbocharger position, so it stores P2581. Common symptoms you may notice. Check engine light on. Loss of engine power, poor acceleration, low or inconsistent turbo boost, turbocharger hesitation, poor fuel economy, reduced throttle response, and sometimes limp mode. The problem may become more noticeable during hard acceleration or when driving uphill. Sensor location. The turbocharger boost control position sensor B is normally mounted on or near the turbocharger actuator. Depending on the vehicle, it may be integrated into the wastegate or variable geometry turbocharger actuator. The sensor is connected to the ECU through an electrical wiring harness. Because of its location, the sensor and wiring are exposed to extreme heat and vibration. Common causes. The most common causes of P2581 include faulty turbocharger position sensor, short to battery voltage in the signal circuit, damaged or melted wiring, loose electrical connector, corroded connector terminals, poor sensor ground, sticking turbocharger actuator, sticking wastegate mechanism, or ECU problems. In rare cases, quick diagnosis. First, scan for additional turbocharger-related codes. Inspect the sensor wiring for melted insulation, broken wires, or exposed conductors. Check the connector for corrosion, moisture, or loose terminals. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's reference voltage, ground, and signal circuit. Monitor the sensor's live data with a professional obd2 scanner. Also check that the turbocharger actuator moves smoothly. How to fix P2581. Repair damaged wiring. Repair any short to voltage condition, clean or replace corroded connectors. Repair poor electrical connections, replace the faulty turbocharger position sensor if testing confirms failure. Repair or replace a sticking turbocharger actuator, clear the trouble code. Then perform a road test while monitoring turbo position and boost pressure. Final result. Fixing P2581 will restore accurate turbocharger position feedback, improve boost control, restore engine power, improve acceleration, and help prevent limp mode. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage. And comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.